name of the question is maximum number of distinct elements. So we are given an array B of length n and we have to find an array A such that we form a array C which consists of maximum number of distinct integers and which is equals to ai, I mean every element of it is equal to ai mod bi. And so I'll take the third test case of our sample input and I'll try to explain it to you. So this is our given array. The only concept that we need to know for this question is that modulus of a number is less than the number and a little bit of comparator concept we require. So we store all the elements with their indexes in a vector and we'll sort the vector according to the first values. So the vector becomes like this. Now I'll take a temporary variable, say k, and we'll initialize it with 0. Now we'll traverse through the array and every time k is less than the first value of that index, we'll update that index by k and also update k by 1. So this was a given array. First we'll start from index 1. So at index 1 the first value is 1 and k is equal to 0. So of course it is less than the array element. So we'll update it with 0 and we'll update k by 1 because k is less than the first element. Now for the second iteration the value of k becomes 1 and the array element is also 1, so it is not less than 1, so it remains same. In the third iteration k is still 1 and array element is equals to 2, so we'll update the array element by to 1 and update k to 2. Now in the next iteration we'll seek for the fourth element of the array, which is the third index of the array. It is equal to 2 and k is also equal to 2, so we do not make any changes in the array. Now next we'll move to the fifth element and its first value is equal to 3, which is greater than 2, which is our k. So we'll update the array element with 2 and update k to 3. Now in the last step we do not need to do anything because array value is equals to 3 and k is also equal to 3. So the final array elements become like this. Now we'll sort the array elements according to the indexes, which is the second value in the array, with the help of a comparator. We'll make a comparator of pairs and we can sort the array and we'll print the first values of the array. So now we'll try to implement it in a program. We're given t-test cases. We're given the size of the array. We can form a vector of pair int type and its size will be n. We will take the input and store it with the index as well. V of I is equals to. Now we'll sort the array or the vector according to the first values. After sorting we'll take a temporary variable and traverse through the array. Now if first value is k is less than first value, So we'll update the first value with k and update k by 1. Now we will sort the vector according to the second values, that is the indices. We'll form a comparator. We'll return a dot second is less than b dot second. So the array is sorted. Now we just need to print the values, first values. Okay, so now we'll run our code. So this is what we were getting during explanation of the solution. So now I'll submit the code and see what happens. So it is giving correct answer for the solution, which means the code is right.